And we're back to learning Inkscape in the year, day 22. In the last video I've shown you can use the pen tool, just left click 2 times to have a line. Under object fill and stroke paint, you can set the color. Just make sure that you're on the second option. We're going to stick to black. And under stroke style, we use the markers, and this gives us an arrow. And you can still transform it. So I've got the selection active, but when I just left click drag, it's actually a transformation for the markers as well. So that's usually not what you want. Instead, hold Control when you left click drag on these arrows, and this will then resize it. You can also click on it again, use these double arrows to rotate it. But how can you turn that into a curved arrow? Well, what you need for that is the node tool. Select it, then hover over the center line and left click drag. And this is actually how you create curved lines, or one way to create curved lines in Inkscape. It's very intuitive, I think, because you can see what's happening as you do it. Let me show this on a clean line. So we use the pen tool, left click again to have a line. Activate the nodes tool, hover over the center, left click drag, and this is how you can create these curves. And when you have the markers added, it's going to result in a curved arrow. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.